Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to upgrade your subscription plan on AutoEnhance AI. So, let us begin. To start this journey, open your web browser and go to AutoEnhance.ai. Look for the pricing option located on the upper right corner of the screen, right beside the features. As you embark on your upgrade journey, you will be presented with the three enticing pricing tiers. First, there's our beloved free plan. For those craving more, there's the 75 images plan available at just $49.99. And for the ultimate experience, there's the 500 images plan priced at $154.99. It's all about selecting the plan that seamlessly aligns with your creative aspirations. With your choice in hand, take the step and click the subscribe button. This decision propels you into a world where creative limits are a thing of the past. And there you have it, a seamless way to elevate your creative journey through an upgraded subscription plan with AutoEnhance AI. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.